Ever wondered how massive underground chambers, like caves or mines, actually fill with water? It's a fascinating process, often defying what we intuitively think. Today, we're diving deep, literally, to explore the science behind how these subterranean spaces become flooded. This video will break down the three main ways underground chambers fill: groundwater seepage, stream capture, and, surprisingly, rising lake levels. We'll look at the geological forces at play and see some incredible real-world examples. Groundwater seepage is the most common. Water slowly percolates through cracks and fissures in the rock above, gradually filling the chamber. Think of it like a giant sponge. The rock absorbs water and releases it into the void below. Mammoth Cave in Kentucky is a prime example, constantly fed by this slow, steady drip. Stream capture happens when a surface stream finds its way into an underground passage. This can be sudden and dramatic, rapidly flooding a chamber. The Lechuguilla Cave in New Mexico experienced this, with a stream diverting and dramatically altering its water levels. Finally, rising lake levels can flood chambers connected to them. The Great Lakes, for instance, have created extensive submerged cave systems. Did you know some underwater caves are so vast, they're larger than anything above ground? So, whether it's a slow seep, a rushing stream, or a rising lake, underground chambers fill through a complex interplay of geological processes. It's a constant reminder of the hidden world beneath our feet. If you found this exploration fascinating, give this video a like and subscribe for more earth science adventures. Let us know in the comments which underground wonder you'd most like to explore.